Are we starting with the soup, I'm guessing?
We're starting with the soup.
Oh, it smells
And
fantastic.
if you're looking at this saucepan thinking it looks a little strange, well, it is. It's a pressure cooker. All right, so this is a...
These are becoming so popular again.
They really are.
Yeah,
and
everything
for good
old
reason.
is new again. The pressure cooker's back.
It's for good reason, too. So what I'm doing is I've got some Black Forest ham. I'm going to make a soup out of navy beans, lots of fresh veggies, and as the weather starts to get just a little bit chillier, these are the kind of dishes that we want to do. But we all know that cooking beans can be a real pain.
It can take a long time. Yeah,
well,
you soak them overnight, then you cook them separately and skim them. And,
Right, well, not with one of these. So I've thrown in some ham. This is a Black Forest ham, so you just tear it up, throw it in. The smokier, the better. So that's going to give us a beautiful smokiness.
Smoky and a little sweet. It's lovely.
That's just a little bit of butter. And then what we do is we throw in some veggies. So I've got some onions.
Onions.
That you toss in.
Do you want some celery?
Some celery there, Rach. Good girl.
Yes, sir.
And here's the navy beans that I was talking to you about. Now, you'll notice all we've done is rinse them, right? We haven't soaked them, and that's the beauty of this.
So straight up, all you did was give them a bath.
You just give them a bath. You just make sure that there's no dust on it. That's it. You just rinse it off, right? And then you throw in the celery.
Put all this in?
Chuck it in. Carrots, celery, a bay leaf, a couple of cloves of garlic. What else we got over here? Some sage.
And some sage leaves.
Sage leaves. Here, you take that garlic, Rach, you just go boom.
Give it a whack.
You don't even have to chop it.
No,
and that's
just
the
throw it in
beauty
there.
of the pressure cooker. It cooks at such high intensity that it really breaks everything down. Right? You
run the sage.
Run the sage, chuck that in.
There we go.
All right, so now, dry beans. This is the magic part of this.
Boom!
In they go. And then you need lots of liquid for it. So 5 cups of water, right? And then, of course, a little broth.
And then some stock,
And then some stock, right? So we've got a full box of your beautiful broth. Stock.
Thank you for product placement.
Here we go. Rachael Ray upside down, ladies and gentlemen. Who knew? Boom, that goes in. Okay, then what you do is this. You give it one stir. I don't put in much salt to start. I always season.
Because you're going to get some salt out of the ham as well.
Right, and so you can adjust that later. But plenty of pepper. You throw your lid on. So what I've done here, you'll see that steam is now releasing, right? Once the steam has released, the pressure is gone, right? So then all you do, you're like, shush. Then all you do is you pull that down and you twist it. And that opens up. You get that in there. So you've got ham.
Beautiful.
Leftover ham on the bone if you've got the Christmas ham coming up. The beans, the carrots, and all that delicious stuff. So soup's coming to the hero, ladies and gentlemen.
Soup's coming to the hero.
All right, so whole cherry peppers. They're so delicious, and it says hot, hot, hot for a reason. They're nice and spicy, and that's what we want, right? We throw in a clove of garlic, just a little bit of sugar, maybe 5 or 6 of those cherry peppers, and then some white wine vinegar. Okay?
I love cherry peppers.
You blend it up. It only takes a second. And then, so that's it. You've made your sauce.
Okay.
And then the vinaigrette, I put a little mustard, Dijon, a little red wine vinegar. We've got some thyme leaves and some parsley, flat leaf parsley. And then we whisk that together with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And it's a really simple dressing, but it's a really delicious one as well. So then you just start layering up your prosciutto, your beautiful provolone cheese.
And provolone cheese.
A little tomato, if you like tomato. And then you just drizzle that vinaigrette straight over the top like that. This should be a difficult sandwich to eat, right? I'm going to make a little cocktail. It's called Bubbles and Sorbetto.
Bubbles and Sorbetto?
Prosecco, a little Saint Germain, and some lemon sorbetto. So the Prosecco, it's a cool sort of a bottle. It doesn't have a traditional...
it has an actual cork.
It's got an actual cork in it, and then pop, you still get that beautiful sound. So what I do is I put just a little ball of the lemon sorbetto. This does 2 things. It gives you a little sweetness, which is delicious.
And it chills.
And then it also chills the cocktail. Oh,
lovely.
That was done with some... I think that our...
Screwed on tightly.
Yeah. just a drop over the top like that.
My goodness, this could be a dessert or a brunch or anything.
It's the most beautiful brunch, and it's the simplest, most fabulous.
So lemon?
Lemon sorbetto, and then that Prosecco over the top. And the great thing is...
Bubbly lemon ice!
It keeps your drink super cold. I don't think it needs it, but if you want to garnish it, you could just
Can I have a twist?
Like that.
Ooh! Come on!